Welcome to Omni-Watch Easy Cloud Solutions DIY Kit tutorial. In each kit you will find your camera or cameras, an appropriate port PoE switch, and within the box you will also find weather-tight fittings should they be needed if the camera is mounted in an exposed fashion outdoors, screws and anchors, and a special hex tool for the screws for the camera's lid. Inside the PoE switch box, you will find the PoE switch itself as well as its power supply. The power supply is a standard 120/220 volt AC power supply. There are 5 ports, 4 ports together for cameras, and the uplink port connects to your modem and/or router to connect everything to your internet. Simply plug the brick into the back of the PoE switch as shown here. Then take this end of the plug, the AC cord, plug it into the power brick, then take the 3-pronged grounded plug and stick it into any AC wall outlet. Then we can take our hex tool, loosen the screws on the camera's lid, and take the lid apart. Once you have all 3 screws loose, simply remove the lid. The screw holes shown here, here, and here. Now, using the supplied screws, you can mount the camera flat on a wall or flat on a ceiling. Make sure when you're mounting the camera that you lay the cord in the cutout track in the casing so as not to pinch the cable. Once you have the camera mounted, be sure to look for the arrows on the case and the lid, line them up to ensure that the seal is sealed. Then tighten the screws using the supplied hex tool. Each kit comes with 4 100-foot cables. This is a shortened cable for demonstration purposes, but the cables will have pre-made ends on them as shown here. Once the camera is mounted, you will take one end of the cable that you have run and plug it into the receptacle from the camera. The other end of the cable must be run to near your modem router, where you can set up your PoE switch and then plug the other end of the cable into one of the ports. Look for the power light as shown here, and then wait for the activity light shown here to begin flashing. It will flash, turn off momentarily, and then turn back on. Wait for the light to begin flashing rapidly as shown on the 2 ports to the left. Once that is done and you see that there is activity indicated by the flashing light, simply log in on your app or on the web and verify that you see an image as well as recording, and you're done. Setup is as simple as that. Of course, if there are any issues, please don't hesitate to contact us by going to www.omni-watch.com or call us locally at 214-340-2258, and our support team email address at supportteam@omni-watch.com.